Q3787-1. When a control tower, located on an airport within Class D airspace, ceases operation for the day, what happens to the airspace designation? A. The airspace designation normally will not change. B. The airspace remains Class D airspace as long as a weather observer or automated weather system is available. C. The airspace reverts to Class E or a combination of Class E and G during the hours the tower is not in operation. The correct answer is C. When a control tower, located on an airport within Class D airspace, ceases operation for the day, the airspace designation typically reverts to Class E or a combination of Class E and G airspace during the hours the tower is not in operation. This means that the airspace may change from Class D to Class E or a combination of Class E and G airspace when the tower is not actively providing control services. Class D airspace is established to provide controlled airspace around an airport with an operational control tower. The control tower ensures separation and provides instructions to aircraft operating within the airspace. However, when the control tower is not in operation, the airspace is no longer actively controlled, and it reverts to other airspace classifications. In the absence of tower services, the airspace reverts to Class E airspace, which extends upward from the surface or a designated altitude. In some cases, depending on the specific airport and surrounding airspace configuration, a combination of Class E and G airspace may be in effect during the hours the tower is not operating. This allows for appropriate control and separation of traffic in the absence of tower services. Pilots should consult the appropriate aeronautical charts, notices to airmen, NOTAMs, or other official sources to determine the specific airspace classification and requirements when the control tower is not in operation at an airport within Class D airspace.